Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Holo Winter Shimmers water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'll be using Royalty Blue as the base, and then for the water marble, I'll be using Celestial Lights, Polar Princess, and Twilight Shimmer. Once I have my base color finished, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I've got my bullseye built, I'm going to pull from the edges toward the center and create an 8-petaled flower. It's a bit hard to see in person exactly how the design is lining up, but I'm just going to do my best to take a look, pick the area that I want to dip each nail in, and then go for it. Then I'm going to clean up the excess around the edges with my orange stick. And pull out slowly to allow the bubbles to pop. You can see a couple on my ring finger there. And there's the water marble. I'm going to use a tweezer to help me remove the protection. And then I'm going to move on to marbling the rest of my nails. I'm going to push these few bubbles flat, and then I'm going to be cleaning up around the edges with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. finally, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and today I'm using Holo Taco Super Glossy. And after I have that applied, I'm going to add a layer of Holo Taco Matte Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I really liked it glossy as well, but I think with the matte finish it's easier to see the water marble design on most of the fingers, and it reminds me more of the collection box as well in this finish. I tested it before I did it on my nails, and you can kind of see here the difference between the two. And if you'd like to try it with a different base color, here's a look at how it looks over lavender. I did receive this entire collection as PR, and if you'd like to see my unboxing and first impressions, that will be up along with the extended tutorial here shortly on YouTube. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching. I wore these matte for a day, and I'm already kind of sick of it, so I'm just going to go back in with another coat of the Super Glossy Taco.